Base metals were mixed on Tuesday during open outcry sessions here on the floor of the London Metal Exchange. Many metals little change from the previous day's closing level, as market participants are now starting to take stock of what has proved to be a rather bumpy couple of weeks. We saw a bit of a downturn last week. Indeed, many metals hit fresh multi-month, and in the case of copper, multi-year lows. This was due to the fact that we saw a strengthening dollar. Global economic outlook continued to be bleak, in particular from China. Additionally, fundamentals were poor for the metals as we continue to see increases into LME warehouses. This week then, we've seen a bit of an uptick as we start the second half of 2013. All the metals have now improved from last week's lows, holding around the previous day's closing levels. This has also been helped due to the fact we had Chinese data out yesterday. This came in as expected, provided a bit of support for the complex. Copper, however, still struggling to break above the psychologically important $7,000 per tonne level. Last changing hands around $6,955 per tonne, slightly lower than the previous day's close. Meanwhile, if we go forward and we can see spreads starting to show a bit of tightness. July, August is showing a backwardation of $4. Meanwhile, July to September is at $15 back, and July's 3 months is showing a backwardation of over $20. This is due to the fact that shorts are now rolling and covering. For the rest of the complex then, slightly higher. Aluminium's provided a bit of uptick. This is due to the fact there has been talk of additional cutbacks in production. Meanwhile, zinc has broke above its 30-day moving average. In other LME-related news, yesterday the exchange announced that it will be starting a consultation process in looking at its warehouse proposals. It announced yesterday that should this proposal get the go-ahead, we would see LME warehouses with stocks of over 100 days worth of queues having to load out at least as much as they load in. Should this approval get the go-ahead, this will then be implemented on April the 1st, 2014. This is Kathleen Retourne for FastMarkets on the floor of the